As we're right in the middle of summer, it's the perfect time to discuss how you can get that killer body using the ultimate summer glow up routine. Today, we'll be discussing tried and tested tips concerning skincare, diets, supplements, and other bonus tips as well to get you that firm and glowing body that we're all looking for. And if you use these tips consistently, you will see results and you will feel like getting those legs out. Hi, my name is Sophia. I've been working in the beauty and wellness industry for over 15 years, and my mission is to help you become the best version of yourself. So before we get into skincare tips and products I would recommend for that smooth, glowy looking body, I would like to share a tip with you that will produce very, very fast results for you. You need to be having cold showers. And the reason is it will increase your blood flow and your circulation. So it will really tighten your skin. It will firm it up and it will really work on cellulite as well. It will boost your energy levels, which is always good. It increases endorphins, so you feel better and you look better that way as well. And it increases your lymphatic system, which means that you will be sick less. It also decreases inflammation, which will help with any kind of acne breakouts. It won't be easy to do at first, but what I would recommend is you start slowly. You start by alternating between hot and cold water in your showers, and then maybe one day when you're brave enough, you can have an ice cold shower. And now it's time for your products. After you've had your ice cold shower, it's time to apply your moisturizer. And this is such an important step because it will plump up your skin. It will firm your skin. It will help you have that natural glow that we're all looking for. And there's so many different products on the market, but what I would recommend is going for a natural oil. And this is because you're covering your entire body in it. So if you can put on something natural, it's always better. And these oils are very, very effective as well. And it really depends on your skin type, what oil you use. If you're drier, for instance, you'll probably go for an olive oil or an avocado oil or argan or coconut oil. If you have combination skin or oily skin, you'll probably go for something like an almond oil. One oil I would really recommend that you consider is rosehip oil. And this is because it contains both vitamin C and vitamin A, which are the kings in anti-aging. Basically what they do is they will increase collagen production. So you will have that plumpness in your skin. They really help with your skin tone as well. So they help with discoloration and also with skin brightening and tightening overall. Now, these oils can make you more sensitized to the sunshine, so make sure you wear an SPF if you're gonna be in the sun. Myself, I like using the oils in the evening just before going to bed, and I actually like mixing them with essential oils, which have a lot of benefits. My favorite is vanilla. It really helps me relax, and it's said to be an aphrodisiac, so it has its own benefits. If you are concerned with cellulite, skin tightening, firming, there are 3 key ingredients that you want to look out for. That's caffeine, carnitine, and green tea. They will all really help address that concern. So if you have that concern, you would obviously add a moisturizer or a gel that contain these ingredients. And here's a bit of a pro tip for you. We often forget about it, but the skin on our body does benefit from the same things as the skin on our face. Most of the time. So if you really want to go for it and you want to give yourself a little bit extra and an extra boost, extra brightness, you might want to consider some of these tips. I've spoken about vitamin C a lot and the benefits of it. It basically plumps up your skin. It helps with discoloration. It can really give you that brightness. So applying a vitamin C serum on the body is a very good option as well. You might want to start a little bit slower because vitamin C can be activating. However, I've tried it, I use it every night and I don't have any issues with it. But start slowly, and if you do get any irritation, stop and start slowly again. And you'd obviously apply this underneath your moisturizer. Another serum you might want to consider is hyaluronic acid. You might be using it on your face already and your body might benefit from it too, especially if you feel the need for that added hydration. So you would put that on under your moisturizer or your oil. But what I would recommend is don't invest too much in these products that you're using for the body. The serums really don't need to be the most expensive ones. So have a look on Amazon and they will have a load of serums to choose from. Just look at a high quality one and you will find some really good value products. Here's another tip. I recently did a video on slugging for the face and all the benefits that it has. And it can have really good benefits on your body as well. And for those of you who don't know what slugging is, it's when you apply a thick ointment on your skin, and that helps lock that moisture into your skin, and it will increase the potency of any products you put on underneath. So for those of you who are open to it, I would definitely recommend slugging at least once a week. So what I do once a week is I apply a vitamin C serum, I apply my slugging product on top, and then I go to sleep. And when I wake up in the morning, my skin is as smooth as a baby's. Another thing I would recommend you consider is body brushing. This will do a lot for your body. It increases your circulation, so that will help with cellulite if that's something you suffer from. It will also exfoliate your skin, so it increases that brightness of the skin and helps with that magic glow that we're all looking for. It increases your lymphatic drainage, so that will really help tone your body and make you look leaner. In terms of how to do it, you would do it every morning and you start by brushing from your feet and then brush all the way up towards your heart. And you will see results, but remember, this is something that you have to be doing a little bit more consistently. So you will have to do it for a few weeks, about a month, and you will see a difference in your skin. We can't do a glow up video for the body without mentioning diet. Diet is so important. Everything you put into your body is reflected outside of the body as well. I'm not going to go into this in detail, but the bottom line is avoid processed foods. That basically causes inflammation in your body, which causes aging, which is something we don't want. It also affects your gut bacteria negatively, which is not good because the gut is the center of all of our functions in our bodies. So what you want to do is you want to focus on a lot of protein, have enough proteins in your diet. Those are the building blocks for your body. That will produce your muscles, your bones, your collagen, so that your skin is supple, healthy, and beautiful. The other thing you want to remember is fruits and vegetables. Make sure you're getting as many colors in your diet as possible because each color has its own benefit. And what fruits and vegetables have is the antioxidants. They fight the free radicals, which are pretty much everywhere. Just by living your life, you're around free radicals from smoke, from alcohol, sunshine, just stepping outside of the door and there's pollution. So when you're getting enough fruits and vegetables, it will prevent the damage that these free radicals do. Now, diet is obviously key, but you could consider including a vitamin supplement into your diet. This will help with your skin and with your body as well. I'm not a healthcare practitioner, but I can speak from my own experience. I've been talking a lot about vitamin C for skincare. This is also very beneficial to take internally. It increases your collagen production. It's a great antioxidant, so it fights those free radicals, keeping us younger and stronger and healthier. Another good vitamin is vitamin D3. Most of us are actually deficient in this vitamin. And this is good for your bone health. It's good for your teeth. It's also good for your immune system. You should really be combining this vitamin with a vitamin K2. The K2 helps with calcium absorption, so it will make it more potent and they work very well together. Now, finally, your probiotic. This is very important for your gut health. And this is something you can get from fermented products like yogurt, like kefir, also sauerkraut, but I like to take it as a supplement, a liquid supplement. And this really helps with your gut bacteria. It helps with your microbiome. And as we know, everything starts from the gut. So if we have a healthy gut, we have healthy skin and a healthy body as well. So, of course, remember to eat a healthy diet. That is key. But these supplements can really do a little bit of a boost for you as well. And there you have it, the ultimate body glow up routine. I really hope you got some useful tips from this. And make sure you're getting enough rest and relaxation because beauty starts from the inside. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you liked anything you heard or learned anything new at all, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe because I will be releasing similar content on a weekly basis. And I would love to hear from you if you have any experience, thoughts, or comments on the subject. And let us know where you're tuning in from. It's always nice to know. Have a fantastic day.